Hey there, George here with the Lee Company electrical team with another tech tip for the day. Today we'll be talking about the common reasons for trip breakers. At your breaker panel, you will see that you have a lot of breakers in here. If they are in the halfway position, that means they have tripped. Some of the common occurrences are when they install the wiring on your 15 amp circuits, they push the wire into the back of these devices, being your switches, most commonly found in your living rooms, light circuits, bedrooms, and such. If one of those wires does come out, it can cause the breaker to trip. Another reason, overloading the circuit. By overloading the circuit, putting a heating element of some sort, space heaters, blow dryers, and such, that will have the amp draw to be able to actually trip the breaker. Another one is the arc fault breaker, which is usually in the panels, has a little test button on them. If these connections are weak in the back, that is one of the common sources of the trip. Thank you for choosing Lee Company, and have a great day.